in Italiano we might call it Lago Pitchcroft. Yes, Pitchcroft Lake. Wow. Tip-top trippers, my name's Donato. A little bit of a different video. You may have seen from my long run there was some things aborted because of the floods here in Worcester. I thought I'd do a bit of filming and show you how flooded it is. Yes, so this is my normal run route that I would be going on. It ain't happening today, and then when you look on the other side of the river where I'll take you across now, the river is completely flooded. So as you can see, the swans here have got a bit of extra swim area, shall we say. Oh man, what to do, eh? What to do? Let's take you on some other sections so you can see what it's like, yeah? So I'm just on the other side of the river now on what we call Bromwich Parade, where we've got the cricket ground over there and Premier Inn. So if I turn the window in there, here we go. Now this is the trail where I normally do my reps. Yeah, it ain't happening, mate, you know. I mean, I'm gonna do a bit more, turn the camera around so I can zoom in and you can see, yes, extra swim areas we say for the swans. So I don't know if you can see there, but there's the bench, which is literally underwater. I'm trying to hold the phone here because it's quite blowy, as you can imagine, a bit of wind. But yeah, let's zoom up. There you go. There's the bench, completely underwater. So as I was saying, this all the way along here is normally a trail, perfect for my reps and so on. But it's a bit underwater. So yeah. So I'm now on the other side of the river, and this would be the path that I'd ran the Worcester Ring Run. Now there is another footpath thankfully above here, but if you look, just to let you know how deep the water is, along here is the rails. Yeah, so these rails here, see how high these rails are? That's how high those rails are down there that are underwater. Yeah, pretty high up, but not the highest it's been in history. So yeah, and it's flowing very quickly, very quickly. Don't know if you can see, guys, but in the distance there, look, there's something floating. You would think it was something like the Loch Ness Monster, but it's not. It's, I don't know what it is. Can you see what it is? It's bobbing up and down. It's probably a tree stump. And there it goes under the river, under the bridge, sorry, under the river. So here's the view, guys, from the trail that I normally go along the river. There's that thing bobbing along still, and it goes all the way across to there. Zoom in a little. There you go. You can see it's all completely, the bar restaurant over there is completely submerged. And there's the cathedral in the distance. yes guys, this is normally the trail we go along. As you see, it's all submerged all the way along there. Yes. Thankfully it hasn't reached the level of the road here yet. Let's see what unfolds. So I'm now on Sabrina Bridge and we've got the rowing club over there. I'm using both hands to hold the phone so you won't see me pointing. And over in the distance there, although the wind has dropped, over there, that's Worcester Racecourse where we're going to walk over. And as you can see, it is a complete lake. Yeah, there is no racecourse there. It's a water feature, shall we say. With a little island. I've never seen anything like this. This is, considering we had the parkrun on Saturday and today is Monday, just look at this, look at this. It's quite incredible. In Italiano we might call it Lago Pitchcroft. Yes, Pitchcroft Lake. Wow, look at that. Oh jeez. Now it may not surprise you, but there's a segment here on Strava for those of you who watch Strava. So here we are, Sabrina Bridge, and here is the new lake of the racecourse, and there is a Strava segment up there called "I hope this doesn't flood." Well, it is. I'm going to take you a bit closer so you can get a better view of it is just a complete lake. It's amazing how it holds it and retains it. So whilst the road is clear here, both sides you've got the river there and the new Pitchcroft Lake here. And as I walk down the stairs here, you've got a sign just in that corner there that's called the Le Vesinant Promenade, however you pronounce it. But the promenade here, that's a footpath down there, if you believe it, completely gone. So here I am walking over to Lakeside. Pitchcroft Lakeside. I mean, just look at this. I have never in my life experienced anything like this. Completely submerged. As you can see, it's pretty fast flowing down here on the Vesinant Promenade, and pretty windy too. I'll try and hold on with one hand with the phone, hopefully it won't blow away. So here you've got Pitchcroft Lake, and here we have the river behind me, and I'm literally going to walk along the middle here of this road, which is above water at the moment. Okay guys, as I'm approaching the grandstand at the racecourse, as I say, the rivers come right over here. This is the car park for the rowing club. Yeah, that's a car park there. And here is the racecourse. Oh man, right, just so you can see how deep it is, just look at this. So there's a bit of the racecourse, as you can imagine, pieces floating in the water. But that's the entrance. So it looks like it's quite high up. You don't think you'll be getting very far there. So into the distance it is completely flooded. Yeah, it is quite a sight. So if I take you around the other side, and here we have the waterfront. Wow. And yeah, I feel like I've arrived at a new marina here. But yeah, all the way up there, there's a stretch up there, Strava segment, that's called I Hope It Doesn't Flood, but it has. So won't be doing that Strava segment today, but for a few days. Who knows how long this will take to clear. Let's go up into the grandstand and get you some more aerial views. Right guys, I'm up on the grandstand here at the racecourse, and you've seen me film here a number of times, but I don't think ever in history that I've been filming here I've seen anything like this. I mean, it's incredible. Right now I think it's Storm Franklin here in England, so whilst we've not experienced the strong winds, it certainly has been raining. Yesterday was torrential, and the day before and the day before that. Last week we had Storm Dudley and Storm Eunice. And yeah, as I pan around here so you can get a view of the whole lake here at Pitchcroft. And yeah, it's quite a sight to behold. And there's a little enclosure where the horses normally parade just before the race. Not today. So I thought I'd give you a bit of a panoramic view across the racecourse here from the grandstand. Quite a sight, yeah? Should I be having music or anything? Just soak it all in. So there you have it guys, that's the video of a historic moment here in Worcester, for me anyway, having only moved here back in December. I was told that it does flood regularly here, so obviously, you know, it is what it is, but I just thought I'd share this with you. First time me experiencing the Lago di Pitchcroft here at Pitchcroft Racecourse in Worcester. I hope you've enjoyed this video in some way. Yeah, if you want to give it a thumbs up, yeah, thumbs up. And if you are new here, subscribe. It'd be fabulous to join in. And yes, I'll be doing my usual running stuff, but obviously I won't be running around here for a while. I don't know how many days it'll take for this all to clear. Thankfully, I can hop on the canal further upriver, which is dry where I done my run yesterday. So that was okay, but obviously once you get down towards the river end, no chance. But so yeah, it's a shame I won't be able to do my easy runs here. I'm gonna have to do a bit of road stuff up in the city, but hey, temporary measure. So see you all guys before I get blown away. You across the racecourse here from the grandstand. Quite a sight, yeah? Should I be having music or anything? Just soak it all in.